our 144-inch canopy kitchen hood. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 144 inches, 12 feet, a height of 24 inches, and a depth of 47¼ inches tall. Coming to the interior of the hood, we have the overall length of 144 inches. We have a height of 30 inches. And included will be 8 removable oil grease trap filters. Each oil grease trap filter can be removed from its track and reinserted into the frame. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Located on the top center will be 3 light bulbs. Each light bulb is NSF and UL certified with the certification located on each sticker. Coming to the left and right lower columns will be the removable oil pans. Each oil pan can be removed and reinserted onto the 2 bolts holding the oil pan. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood are 3 lamp bases holding the light bulbs on the other side of the hood. Each lamp base will have brackets held in by 2 screws that can be removed containing the wires located within. Each lamp base measurements will include 3 3/4 inches in length by 3 3/4 inches in height. Coming to the bottom will be the air gap, with the air gap measuring 30 inches in length by 12 inches in height. Interior of the air gap, we have a measurement of 28 inches in length, 10 inches in height, 4 inches thickness. Between each lamp base are 4 different columns. Each column will measure 33 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right furthest column, with the bottom column measuring 33 1/4 inches in length by 15 1/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right furthest bottom column. Measurements for the left and right center columns will include 31 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right top center column, with the bottom column measuring 30 3/4 inches in length by 15 1/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right bottom columns. Last but not least, we have the brackets located on the top and lower left and right corners. Each bracket will include 2 1/4 inches in length by 2 1/4 inches in height, with a width measuring 3 inches. Coming to the top corner is the NSF certification for this hood. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.